So now we want to transpose our chord symbols. And it turns out that's a pretty straightforward process, but I want to take it step by step just so you understand what's going on. So let's look at our first chord symbol. First chord symbol is C, C major. I'm going to write out a C major chord right here because I want to ask ourselves, what would the C major chord look like if we were transposing it? Again, we're transposing everything up a minor third. So what would a C major chord look like if we transposed it up a minor third? Here's our C major chord. What we're going to do is we're going to transpose every single note of that chord up by a minor third. So C is going to go up a minor third to E flat. E is going to go up a minor third to G. And then G is going to go up a minor third to B flat. So I'm going to have E flat, G, B flat. So if I transpose a C major chord up a minor third, what does it become? It becomes an E flat major chord. And that kind of makes sense because what did we just do? We moved the root up from C to E flat, and then we just made a major chord based on E flat. Let's try the same thing with A minor, which is our next chord. So I'm going to write an A minor chord here. So A minor has A in the root, C the third, and E the fifth. That's my A minor chord. So we have to move each one of these three notes of the chord up a minor third. So A up a minor third becomes a C. C up a minor third becomes an E flat. And E up a minor third becomes a G. So an A minor chord moved up a minor third, or transposed up a minor third, becomes a C minor chord. And again, this makes sense because all we're doing is we're moving the root of the chord up by a minor third, and then we make a C minor chord on that root. So when we transpose our chord symbols, our root, the note on which we are basing the chord, is going to move up by a minor third, or whatever the interval is that we're transposing by. But the quality of the chord, whether it's major or minor or diminished, is going to stay exactly the same. So a minor chord transposed by any interval will always be a minor chord. A major chord transposed by any interval will always be a major chord. A diminished chord transposed by any interval will also be always a diminished chord. So that makes the process of moving these chords, or transposing these chords, pretty easy. So my C major chord is going to go up a minor third to become an E flat major chord. My A minor chord is going to go up a minor third to become a C minor chord. My E minor chord is going to go up a minor third to become a G minor chord. My D minor chord is going to go up a minor third to become an F minor chord. Again, notice the quality is always staying the same, even though the root is changing. The G major chord is going to go up a minor third to become a B flat major chord. Then next I have an E minor chord, and that's going to go up a minor third to become a G minor chord. And then my A major chord is going to go up a minor third to become a C major chord. So let's just listen to this chord progression that we've transposed and let our ears tell us if we've done the correct transposition. So just for reference, let me play our original. So here's the original in C major. Now, here's our transposed version. And it sounds like we've done this absolutely correctly. There's one other scenario I want to take a look at, and that is what if we don't have chord symbols, or if the chords are completely written out? How do we transpose them? And that's what we'll try doing in the next video in the series.